course, just turn it on, turn it off and turn it back on again, and it works fine. It's always a secret. It's always a secret. At least try it. At least try it. Okay. I'm not gonna bother creating what you call it. So we're working on the Publi application again. Getting that wired up. Okay, so here's what we're working with. We're not doing exactly like this, it's just kind of like a sketch. So I'm just kind of going down, I'm not putting groups in or anything like that. We are somewhere in here, I believe. So we got the children at home. We got pet allergies, yes. Then we have home type. In addition to that, we also have some notes over here that we're using. Excuse me. Household member and ages, children at home, and home type, which is, I think we already have that up there. So what is this supposed to be? This is supposed to be anyone with pet allergies. So let's do that. See what we have these labeled as. We come over here to the radio button, click on it, and click on the look here. We can actually see what the, okay, cool. So pet allergies, nice. Make sure that the no is also tied to the same value. Yes, good, okay, cool. All right, so we just need to update the label on that one. All right, so what's next? Next is, so we are down here again. So pet allergies, owned a dog before, which is a yes, no with a text area for details. And then a list of the current pets. And why impacted. Okay. So let's do this. So, some of you may, or probably are not aware, I started a new series on TikTok. It's kind of silly, but it's not, I think it's kind of interesting. So as I'm waiting in car line for the kids after school, I'm doing like a, 5 to a 15, at most 15 seconds video on, I call it tech pickup line. And it's just where I give a little factoid, working in the industry, and just giving some advice as far as being a software engineer. So if you're interested, you can always go check those out. I've got 3 so far. I'm going to continue doing it and see where it goes. I think it's pretty interesting. Let's see here. That's over at I don't know if you can get to it like that. Nope. I'll get a link for you in a minute. Let's see. Linky. I also have been putting them on my YouTube Shorts, so you can always view it there too. It's the app thing. Got it. So if you're interested, let's check those out. Let me know what you think. I'm also taking ideas, so if you want to send me an idea for a tech talk, for a pickup line, let me know. Okay, so here we go. We were going to add a new, let's see here, we'll just duplicate one of these. One of my gripes for ChatGPT, well, there's plenty, but one of the biggest ones is the consistency that it provides you information. For instance, we're talking about labels for fields and forms, and it mixes cases. It's like it's annoying. Like, don't do that. We've already established like all of them are this. You should keep it like this. But to be fair, that is very human of it. Very human. Very human. All right, let's see. I want a period. Okay. And there's a label and everything else. So let's add they really need to add below in Webflow. Or add above, or what have you. I don't care. Give me one. Just give me one. Because this is annoying. Ooh, I do like this. I like the parent. But the names are so generic. Like, how are you supposed to? So very annoying. Okay. Let's just duplicate it. We're going to get rid of this one. But we're going to add this one. We're going to add to it a radio box. Radio box listening. A radio button. Radio box. Get out of here. You know what I meant. See here, what did we call it? Owned a dog before. Hold up now. And then we'll add another one. We're lagging it up, we're lagging it up. It's no fun when you take away the tunes though. just going to add another form field right below this label here. And we're going to add our two guys into there. Add new div. Div it up, div it up. Got div it up. Name this, what do we name this? Horizontal form underscore field horizontal. Form field horizontal something. Toggle. Makes sense? Oh, that's ID field, independent style. And then we're going to add our two radio buttons into there. Doop. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. And the label was supposed to be owned a dog beef belly. Oh. And I think I will do this. Let's go ahead and add a element trigger. And we'll say, what do we say? I don't want to be a mouse trigger. I want to trigger it based on form value. Can I do that? I should be able to do that, right? Let's go see. Here we go. Okay. That's simple enough. Let's go. Let's click on that. Go to settings. Visible. Add a condition. maybe I have to do it on this one. No values to select. Not particularly intuitive, is it? Sure, it's something I'm missing that's very simple. I could do custom. Let's see what this is.
I'm Professor Idris, and welcome to ServiceNow University, a playground for learning personalized to you.
No need here, no ads. Okay, we got the form. Good to know, thanks. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's not too helpful. Yeah, it's gonna make me write JavaScript. Okay. All right. That's fine by me. I guess. Seems such a common thing to do, though. Like, I can't imagine. Like, I shouldn't have to write custom JavaScript, should I? Yeah, write your script. Okay. All right, I reckon. That's the way we're gonna go. It's the yes. We're going to go to the yes. Yes radio button. Yes 3. No. We're going to give this whole shebang an ID. You know what? I'll come back in later and wire this up because I have a bunch of fields to do. And I'm so tired of working on this site. I was thinking there's going to be like a simple thing to add through the UI, which, you know, it's not a difficult thing to add, but it's more effort than I'm willing to put into it right now. Okay, what's next? Oh man, it made me think of that bartender on TikTok. Okay, who's next? Just random thoughts here. Well, we did not get very far, and we are almost close to time. So I'm just going to start winding down. This has got to be like one of the most longest projects ever. Building this stuff like this. Like, dealing with text is so much nicer. Insanely nicer. Oh my goodness, this draggy droppy stuff is just nuts. Don't like it. I mean, I think, don't get me wrong, I think it's cool. It's not for me. It's not for me. This is painful. One, two, three, 4, 5. 1, 2. I don't know if you guys realize, but I've clicked this element like 20 times now. It is so slow. It's ungodly slow. It is beyond annoying. Beyond annoying. We'll get there though. It'll be done. Oh, that's my 6 o'clock. Got two of these. Oops. Well, guys, I'm gonna call it a day on this anyways. I gotta go get the kids up. I will try to, well, I will be back Thursday for sure. But who knows, I may be back tomorrow. Just depends. Thanks for joining me this morning. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you on Thursday. Most definitely. Maybe tomorrow. All right. Bye, guys.